Hi, this module is mostly theoretical. We will see what NoSQL is and how MongoDB is related to NoSQL. In this module, we will be covering following topics like what is NoSQL, features of NoSQL, benefits of NoSQL, Cape theorem, and different other aspects of NoSQL. So here we will have an overview of NoSQL, in-depth understanding the concepts and terms associated with any typical oriented database like MongoDB, like JSON and BSON documents in MongoDB, the comparison of RDBMS and NoSQL, that how NoSQL is better than the relational database management system. So the first thing is, what is NoSQL? So as you already know that it is not only SQL. NoSQL is a class of DBMS that does not follow all of the rules of a relational SQL to query data. The term not only SQL is somewhat misleading when interpreted as NoSQL, as this type of database is not generally a replacement but rather a complementary addition to RDBMS and SQL features. Now let's talk about motivation for this approach. So motivations for this approach include simplicity of design, simpler horizontal scaling to clusters of machines, which is a problem for conventional database like SQL, and finer control over availability. The data structures used by NoSQL databases differ slightly from those used by default in relational database, making some operations faster in NoSQL and others faster in relational databases. The particular suitability of a given NoSQL database depends on the problem it must solve. Sometimes the data structures used by NoSQL databases are also viewed more flexible than relational database tables. So this was about NoSQL and the motivation for this approach, and in the next video we will see the history of databases.